We want to turn now to the weather and say happy Thanksgiving to everybody who's watching us out there. Hopefully everyone got to enjoy some time with family and friends out there. And Tommy, I'm just glad to be here with you tonight.
Yeah, you know, it's just been a fantastic night. Ate some good food and just enjoying good company here at the station. Well, I want to ask you, what are you thankful for on this Thanksgiving?
You know what, I'm really thankful for my husband and his family who welcomed me over to their house earlier today so that I could have some Thanksgiving meal a little bit earlier and then come into work. So it was really delicious. And I was really glad to be with them. What about you?
I'm grateful for, first of all, everyone here at the station,
the
viewers at home, my friends and family, wife Abby, my dog we rescued, Kodak. Just, you know, a lot to just reflect on and just consider all the blessings that we have in our lives. So I hope you all had a fantastic time with family as well. So let's talk about the forecast right now and what we're thinking for early Black Friday shopping. Freeze warnings for 2 of our counties, Mason and San Saba. Low temperatures in the hill country could be in the upper 20s to low 30s. So living out there, make sure that you are bundled up if you're outdoors early tomorrow. That goes from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. That's just 2 of our counties, but we're all going to be dealing with relatively chilly conditions. Now today, 60, that was our high temperature. We should be in the upper 60s, but no one's complaining that we're cooler than average for a day like today. We started off at 50 degrees and out the door tomorrow morning. Here are the low temperatures. 38 in Austin, 35 in Georgetown, 38 in Cameron, 39 in Giddings, Fayette County, upper 30s. There's the freezing line. So west of that freezing line, Llano County, San Saba, Mason, and Gillespie County, you'll be at freezing or below that. But we're all going to feel freezing because of the wind chill with those winds out of the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So again, hats and gloves, jackets, long pants, you get the drill. High temperatures for your Friday, out and about 60 in Austin again, 59 in Georgetown, mid to upper 50s for the hill country, and east of I-35 will stay in the low to mid 60s. Those winds will be out of the northeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour. We just have cloudy conditions, no rain at all. It's too dry for any rain to fall, and we'll be watching these clouds pretty much fizzle on out as we progress throughout the evening hours and overnight tonight. Friday, you should see the sunshine a little more than for your Thursday. So here's how the day planner could look. 7 a.m., 40 degrees. By noon, 53 degrees, and 4 p.m., 60 degrees. That partly cloudy trend will persist throughout the day into the weekend. Texas football on Saturday, we'll be dealing with a fantastic game up at Kyle Field. We'll stay in the upper 50s there, so maybe a light jacket won't be nearly as cold as earlier yesterday or even today. Clouds and radar, big picture here. We're timing some rain showers moving through. Now the impacts for this, it's not going to be a complete washout. In some of these computer models, they're having a hard time trying to pit where the exact pinpoints are that we're going to be seeing some of this heavier rain. Most likely down toward the valley. This starts Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's not associated to a big cold front or anything like that. I'm not expecting severe weather at this time, but hey, we could be getting multiple days of rain. Here's how one of the models is putting out rainfall totals. 1/10 of an inch one day, 1/10 of an inch to an inch another, most likely south and east of Austin. That's where we could be seeing the most rain out of this hill country. Unfortunately, not as much. We're all in a drought, and we do need the rain. This goes out a week, so you know when it's all said and done, we could be getting multiple inches of rain, which is good news there. 38 tonight, chilly night, decrease in clouds. Those winds will be gusty up to 28 miles per hour at times, most likely during the earlier part of the evening. Then we should be subsiding winds overnight into your Friday. Still winds out of the northeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chilly morning, but besides that, mostly sunny, a mix of clouds here and there, and those temperatures will stay in the 60s across the next 7 days, with rain returning early next week. And hey, after the break, we have more weather and news.